Hold on. Alright, so here we are at 501 Bradford Street in the city of Pasadena. We're running from a two-way clean out here. Two clean outs actually, one going upstream, downstream. We're all the way underneath the house as far as 70, almost 70 feet there towards the house. Let's bring it back. Now this is the cast iron pipe that's coming from the main house. You can see it does have some rust buildup in it. You see here it's a little bit greasy. Coming back, you can see the water is flowing. With rust buildup, we definitely recommend not to flush things that don't dissolve. They have tendency to get caught in the line, like Tampax, baby wipes, paper towels. But overall, this line looks like it's in fair condition. It is a cast iron pipe coming back. There's a little bit of roots coming in through the cast iron right here where the clean out is connected to. We're going to show you here in a couple of feet. See a little bit of roots here coming in through the cast iron. We're going to recommend to dig that up and just fix that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to come back, pull it out. Here we are on the near the garage area where the two-way clean outs are. So we're going to pause it, go to the camera, run the camera downstream. Okay, so we went out 159 feet from the clean out going downstream. We're all the way at the city sewer that you can see floating by there. You can see there are some roots right at the end to the city connection. We're going to show you the line from the city coming back. Now this is the city connection. You can see there's a little bit of roots there right at the end. These roots need to be cleaned. Let's keep coming back. We got some more roots here. That's the 6-inch clay pipe that we're in now. You can see some minor roots at the joints, which is very common to see that in the clay pipe. Overall, this pipe looks like it's in pretty fair condition. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Go forward and come back. Hold on. Don't pull it. No, hold on. Let me get stuck. There we go. That's the cast iron. Okay, so right here at the 4x6 transition, where it comes onto the property, you can see there is a pretty heavy root. Go forward. Go forward. You can see heavy roots right at the 4x6 transition. This is approximately about 5 feet deep at the property line. Let's go ahead and now come back. Let's show the cast iron. The cast iron from the property line back towards the garage area here is getting a little old. You can see there is some rust buildup on the line. Like I said, if you're very careful with what you use, the line should work okay. But definitely, you have to be very careful with what you flush down the toilet. You can see how the bottom of the pipe is starting to erode a little bit with water standing. You can see there, and you can see the buildup coming back. Okay, still cast iron. Would it be a bad idea maybe to run a nice big 4-inch blade through here, try to kind of scrape off some of that rust on the sides of the line? But it is intact, the line. Looks like it's in pretty fair condition so far. Okay, right here you can see there is a little bit of a crack in the line at the top. Go forward. A little bit of roots coming into the top. We're just going to pause this. Okay, we located that just on the side of the garage here. You can see there's a teeny little hair of a root coming through right there. And that's approximately about 3.5 feet deep. The pipe is cracked there, you can see it. Okay, we're going to recommend maybe to repair that as well. Now coming back, the cast iron heading underneath the concrete driveway there. Looks pretty like it's in fair condition. Okay, we're going to come up out of the clean out here. Okay, here we are. So we're going to recommend the 4x6 be repaired, clean out, installed, 6-inch clay pipe in the street be hydrojetted. Also, we're going to recommend the section of pipe here on the side of the garage to be repaired where the cast iron's cracked with a little bit of roots coming through. And number 3, we're going to recommend to run a nice big snake to kind of grind a little bit of the rust out. And we're going to go ahead and stop the recording.